Assalamu alaikum and good morning 5 class. How are you all? Today our topic is remaining part of 5 kingdom system. Now we will have to study birds and mammals in the group of vertebrates. The first kingdom is bird. At the page number 9 of our book, birds, the birds have feathers and beaks. उनके पर होते हैं और चोंच होती है. Their bones are hollow, thus their weight is less. Along with lungs, they have air sacs. ये उनके हवा में उड़ने की सबसे डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी है कि उनका वेट लेस होता है क्योंकि उनकी बोन्स हॉलो होती हैं और उनके लंग के साथ साथ एयर सैक्स भी होते हैं. बर्ड्स कैन फ्लाई इन द एयर. सम बर्ड्स कैन स्विम इन द वाटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डक. सम बर्ड्स कैन नॉट फ्लाई and are called running birds. For example, kiwi and ostrich. All birds lay eggs. The birds that live in water have webbed feet. For example, duck. As we studied in the previous video, हमारे पास डक के फीट वेब्ड होते हैं क्योंकि उसके फिंगर्स के दरमियान एक मेम्ब्रेन होती है जो उनको आपस में जोड़ती है और स्विमिंग में हेल्पफुल होती है. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, their body temperature does not depend on the external environment. Sparrow, pigeon, kiwi, rooster, dove, parrot and ostrich are the examples of birds. ये हमारे पास birds की example हैं. At the page number 10 of our book, in the yellow box, do you know the largest flying bird is eagle, which lives on high trees or rocks. हमारे पास सबसे बड़ा बर्ड ईगल होता है जो कि हाई ट्रीज़ और रॉक्स पे रहता है. हुमिंग बर्ड इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट बर्ड. ये हमारे पास सबसे छोटा बर्ड है. हॉक इज़ हंटर बर्ड. पेंगुइन इज़ अ बर्ड दैट लिव्स ऑन स्नो. Woodpeckers live in the holes that they make in tree trunk. And in the next box, for your information, birds have evolved from a generation of carnivore dinosaurs. As you can see in the picture, this is evolution of a bird from carnivore dinosaur. And the next point is, how are birds different from reptiles? ये reptiles से कैसे different होते हैं? The body temperature of birds does not depend on the temperature of external environment. Birds की body का temperature external environment की temperature पे बिल्कुल depend नहीं करता. So they remain active around the year. वो सारा साल active रहते हैं. They show parental care. वो parental care show करते हैं. They make nest to live. They migrate from one place to other. वो अपने रहने के लिए घोंसला बनाते हैं और एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर जाते हैं. जबकि रेप्टाइल जो होते हैं उनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर डिपेंड करता है उनके एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट पे. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट बॉक्स, इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. अ बर्ड पार्क इज़ कॉल्ड एवियरी. देयर इज़ अ बर्ड पार्क इन इस्लामाबाद at Lakeview Park adjacent to Rawal Lake. This is the third in the world and largest bird park of Pakistan. There are 280 types of birds here whose number is more than 4,000. You should have to go and must visit it. And now we will have to discuss mammals. At the page number 11, mammals, these animals give milk. They have fur or hair on their body. Mammals give birth to their young ones and feed them on milk. वो अपने young ones को जब birth देते हैं तो उसके बाद उन्हें milk पे feed करवाते हैं. The body temperature of mammals does not depend on the temperature of the external environment. Horse, cow, goat, tiger, cat and human are examples of mammals. In the first box of interesting information, polar bears live in snowy regions of the North Pole. Its body has a thick covering of fur. In the next, elephants live in hot climate, so its body is not covered by thick layer of hair or fur. Platypus is a mammal. The female lays eggs and feeds milk to the young ones. Kangaroo keeps its newborn babies in external pouch on the belly. This is very interesting, as you can see in the picture. And the last one is bat is a flying mammal. In the next box of interesting information, among the vertebrates in the world, birds and mammals are the largest groups. What is the reason? पूरी दुनिया में birds और mammal largest groups हैं. इसकी reason क्या है? The reason is that both show parental care. दोनों ही parental care show करते हैं. Such as you must have seen how hen and cats take care of their young ones. As you can see in the picture, hen अपने babies की कैसे parental care कर रही है. And now the cat. At the page number 12 of our book, activity 1.6, paste pictures of different animals in the scrapbook. Divide them into vertebrates and invertebrates. Also write which of these animals are found in Pakistan. This is homework for you. आपको एक स्क्रैप बुक बनानी है, उस पर वर्टिब्रेट्स और इनवर्टिब्रेट्स को डिवाइड करना है और उन एनिमल्स को भी बताना है जो पाकिस्तान में पाए जाते हैं. Now I am going to give you summary of our topic and similarities and differences between mammals and birds. The first is, in mammals they have fur and hair on their body, but in birds they have feathers and beaks. And the second, in mammals these animals give milk and feed their young ones. And the second, in birds they have hollow bones, less weight and air sacs with lungs. And the third, in mammals they give birth to their young ones directly. And in birds they can fly, live in water and run. And the fourth, in mammals their body temperature do not depend on external environment. And fourth, in the bird their body temperature do not depend on external environment. And the fifth, in mammals, for example humans and lion. And the fifth, in birds, for example sparrow and kiwi. And the sixth, in mammals they show parental care to their young ones. And the sixth, in birds they show parental care to their young ones. By this summary, I think it is easy to memorize the properties of both. This is only for your easy learning. This is all for today. I think you can understand. Thank you so much and goodbye.